everyone, welcome to Beyond One Way. Do you want to have some fun ways to eat your broccoli? How about mix broccoli into the ground turkey meat to make these juicy, moist, and flavorful teriyaki sliders? By the way, these are not your ordinary pickles. They are broccoli pickles that pair perfectly with these delicious teriyaki sliders. Let's go make them. 1 broccoli stalk like this. Cut the broccoli florets off the stem. You can cut up the stem to make stir-fry or broccoli rice, but today we are going to pickle it to go with our teriyaki sliders. Peel the stem and cut them into thin coins. We want to do the pickling first so that they will be ready to use after we make the sliders. Mix rice vinegar or apple cider vinegar, sugar, and salt together in a container. Cover and marinate the broccoli coins in the fridge for now. These broccoli pickles will taste like those sliced pickled carrots and daikons that you get from those Asian sandwich shops. Here's the 93% lean ground turkey meat, chopped mushrooms, and broccoli. I used the food processor to chop them. You can also just use a knife to cut them into small pieces if you prefer. Season them with teriyaki sauce. This is the Yoshida brand teriyaki sauce. Use your own favorite brand or make your own sauce. It really doesn't matter. What matters is to use fresh ginger. This will enhance the teriyaki flavor that we want in our sliders. Some black pepper and an egg for binding. Then mix everything together. I think sometimes our hands make a pretty good mixer, don't you? I use a 1/4 cup to make the patties, and this will make about 15 sliders that will fit perfectly inside the Hawaiian dinner rolls. A 1/2 teaspoon oil to get my non-stick frying pan started. These patties are much softer than just the ground turkey meat. So handle the patties carefully and don't try to flip them too early, otherwise they may fall apart. Pan fry a few patties at a time on medium heat for 4 minutes. Then flip and pan fry them for another 3 to 4 minutes or until they're cooked. See the broccoli and the mushrooms inside? They are the reasons these patties are juicy and moist. Can you tell these sliders are tender and juicy without adding anything? Now add those broccoli pickles that we made earlier. The tang and the crunchiness from the broccoli pickles with the juicy and moist sliders made them a perfect combo together. Serve them at the party, eat them as snack or meal. However you eat them, happy eating and see you next time.